Security firm Certis has partnered a disability-focused charity, SPD, to launch an initiative that provides employment and training opportunities for persons with disabilities. Certis currently has 5 disabled workers in roles like aviation security operations and cash management. 2 of them were employed as call center operators last month after being referred by SPD. Ms. J.P. Tanumadja, who has trouble standing for long periods after she suffered multiple fractures in her spine, pelvis, and ankles 2 years ago. And Mr. Zim Lu, who suffered a stroke in 2017 and was laid off earlier this year. Under the initiative, security personnel from Certis will undergo training to help them better understand the needs of PWDs and how to engage with them. The company will also donate $20,000 to support SPD.